Out in Glendale where the crowds are crazy. This one we're starting at the Nike retail store in Glendale. This spot's always been about the returns. My favorite return right here are the Kobe 81 points right here, size 11. I was gonna say 10 and a half for 11. This is size 11. It is retail though, no extra discounts unfortunately. So got the Levi's right here. I bet you these are a size 11 as well. These look like an 11. 11 and a half. These are an 11 and a half. You get that cool Levi's hang tag as well. Pretty dope. Some of you guys have been finding these at the outlets for 30 off, which is freaking dope. I have not been hitting the outlets like that, so I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been able to find them like that. Probably been spending way too much money at the bars and stuff too, and going out and stuff. That probably does not help, but yeah, man, some of you guys have been taking advantage. Size 11, cherry 13s. And they got one of these as well. And then this is the men's section over here. Coming out with some wild colorways of the Alpha Flies. These are going for $305 now. Holy cow. Vapor Flies, $280. That's why I've been finding them, or trying to find them for so cheap. They got all the Pegasus premiums. Oh, the newer ones are up to $230 now. $230 for the Pegasus premiums. They were $220 for the older colorways. Price alert for the Vomeros. These are up to Vomero Pluses, my bad. Vomero Plus is up to $190. They were $180 before. Dang it. The Zoom Flies $180. Yeah, all the newest ones go for $190 now. Damn. You see one of the older colorways right here, $180. Then Jordan release-wise got the 6, the 4s, and then the All-Star Weekend ones. This is a new colorway, new material, like the unfinished look. I'm like so not a fan of that. But yeah, the V5 runners right here, $100 for these. Women's section, nothing too crazy to be honest. All right, back to the Galleria. Here's one of the newer Foot Lockers. They're really pushing these Air Maxes. Like the younger kids don't even like the Air Maxes. What the hell? University blue and black Jordan 14s. Someone mentioned I didn't show these. I don't think them all had them, but they do got them here. I was like, when did I go to that mall? Yeah, that mall was a Saturday visit, so yeah, they do got them. They do got them. $205 for the 14s. I like these. I like these too. This suede. I like those a lot. Still got plenty of latest releases. We got sales on none of them though. Apparently they're coming out with tuxedo Air Forces or patent leather ones where you can wear with your tux and a suit. What do you guys think about that? This one might work. So it might work. $125. I don't like that iridescent stuff though. Do like these dunks. We've been seeing them here and there, but I'll show them one more time for the newer people. Got different materials like a corduroy and suede combo. Liking these better material ones. $130 for those. They actually have a whole row of Kobe's. That is crazy. That is crazy. Did they re-release these? What the hell? Didn't these sell out a while back? I don't know. And these technically ain't Kobe's, but I don't know. I associate it with them because it's the first Nike shoe that he wore. This is the Nike basketball section right here. Actually, just basketball in general because they got Adidas right there. And they got Shy. I haven't seen too many people talk about these Converse, the Shy ones. $130 for these bad boys. They use different material too. I don't know what material that is. Like a synthetic material or something. Kind of interesting. $130 for those. Of course, we got to check out the sales section right here, where they do got a couple of Vomero Pluses. This is just a regular Vomero right here. Oh, they got a bunch of them on sale, but not big sales yet. Do got some Cloud on running Cloud foam shoes right here. Or Vomero 5. Yeah, not the biggest sales though. 3s have been on sale at most spots. I think they're cheaper at Shoe Palace. Kobe's on sale. We haven't seen that in quite some time. I think this might be the last size 12. Even these starting to go on sale, $100. The Kobe Forces. It's only $20 off, but it is a start. Freshwater colorway of the Griffies. Valentine's Day ones going on sale too. I don't know who said, hey, let's make these for the men. That should have just been a women's size shoe right there. I don't know. But yeah, got Kobe's, Evo SLs. Got slide sales. I haven't seen malls packed like this in a minute. All right, one of you guys mentioned I haven't been stopping by Borders. All right, let's go see what's up there. Wanted an update on the SB collection. These are the SB dunks right here, the football one right here. This is actually pretty dope, but I don't know if I need football on my feet. 135. I think this is the latest one. I don't know who this is a collab with, but do got a little python on the front right there. Last pair, size 8, 140. So the SB dunks have moved up a little bit. You got the Browns colorway right here. I don't know who this is a collab with or whatever, but looks like the front portion was dipped. But yeah, 130 for these. These have been chilling for a while. 130. I don't know about that colorway. Colorway is kind of crazy, but yeah, both of those are a little crazy. They got the P-Rod ones. Oh, I thought these were dunks. P-Rods. This is P-Rod shoe, right? Yeah, that's P-Rod shoe. 135 for these. I probably should get these. I like these. I like them, and they're kind of like dunks, but they're not. So I probably should grab these, but I'm going to Vegas in a day and a half. Yeah, I'm going to Vegas in 2 days, so I'm not going to be able to pull the trigger. Those look dope, though. These look dope. They look dope. What was it, 135? 135, I believe. That's where the Northridge one has like a huge sale section. They got these 480s. These 480s right here, they seem more durable and stuff, like a skate version of the generic ones. Like they just seem way more robust. And that's one of the skaters, right? But yeah, they got some 480s. They look freaking dope. These are 105 and these are 100. They got so many different colorways of these 480s. They got these 1010s that look pretty decent. Right here, 110 for these bad boys. They even have regular shoes now, 2002 Rs and stuff. 933s, I don't even know these. And it has a signature skater with these as well. What these go for? What do they go for? They look pretty decent, 130. And they do have a sales section right here, 50% off Converse. I feel like these have been here forever, but yeah, 75, 50 off. Yeah, they got 50 off a bunch of stuff right here. And I think the one in Northridge has like a way bigger section. These are the Grant Taylors right here, 20% off. Some, is this Mason Silva Blazers right here, $55 for those. Okay, not bad, not bad. Got a Shoe Palace. And they got all kinds of Kobe's. We've been seeing that. I've never seen these. These threes right here, Kobe 3 lows. 190 for these. I've never seen this colorway. I have no clue what it's called. But yeah, I do got these diamond lows apparently. Okay. Pretty wild. Air Max 95 right here. I don't think I've ever seen this one. 2 bills for the silver one right here. Pretty wild. Got some more chill ones right here. 190, 190. So the newer ones are going up to 200. They have a whole array of those patent leather Air Forces. I was not aware of that. 3 different Kobe ones right here. We just saw one of them on sale at Foot Locker. But yeah, they got 3 different colorways of those, going for 120. Jordan releases over here. They still do have the Lakers Jordan 4. This is a huge size though, so maybe they are starting to sell out. I did see them the following week. I did see them available, but this is a bigger size on display. Usually that means they're starting to sell out. Still got 4s right there. What the hell are these Jordan ones right here with the flowers that make up the Nike? What the hell is that? 165. And then what's this one? Is this like similar to the suit one? That looks so cheesy. It has a tie on it and stuff, but they're coming out with some new stuff. I don't know if people want them or not. 130 for those. They do got the 14s as well as the 9s. Taxis right there as well. Salesman 6s. I was like, where are all the other brands? Oh, they got separate section right here for, what is this? Asics, Hoka, On Running, and New Balance. They got some fire colorways of these 90s, 60s. These are pretty dope, but I know I ain't paying no Retail from 160 for those, but the colorway is hella fire on those. They got multiple displays. These ain't bad either. These little purple ones and like a pastel green, not too shabby. I got these black ones here as well, 160. All black matches with everything. Dearth of sales here with the New Balance items though. What's going on? I don't even see no 574s either. They do got the Fast and the Furious collab right here with the LaFrance. This is crazy. This is so hilarious, dude. I don't know who's gonna buy them. They totally look like Skechers. 110 for those, and then yeah, I don't know who's buying those. And they do have Hokas, plenty of Hokas. 175 for the Bondis. These are the Cliftons right here. 155 for those, and they got a bunch of different colorways. Do got a Champs and Ultimate store right here. Do they have enough stuff to show y'all? I know people aren't interested with no freaking, what are those, Donovan Mitchells? Maybe the AE2s, are people into those? They got a couple, actually a three of them on sale. They got some of the old Hardens and some of the new Hardens on sale. What these normally? 160, so $11 off, I guess. I think this black one looks pretty nice right here. I'm not into the foam, so not the biggest fan, but yeah, these went up to 160 now. In the Run Club section, they got the Boston 13s right here, 130, so $30 off. They got the Evos as well. KD 18s, we've been seeing them on sale. I think this is like similar to the price at Ross and stuff, right? Sabrina's, we've been seeing a bunch of these at the outlets. More Run Clubs. I think this is the women's, Vomero. These are pluses. These are the pluses. So $50 off. Not bad. Not bad at all. Got regular Vomeros. Coming out with so many different colorways. Holy cow. That's definitely a good thing because people aren't going to buy them all. So eventually they'll go on sale. If you guys are serious runners, Nova Blast right here. These are $20 off. Normally $150. Supposedly these are one of the best cushion shoes for running as well. $130 for all of these. 1906s, 2002Rs. It's like $50 off, so not bad. These almost all black ones can match these with anything. Not too shabby. I just realized this Champs doesn't have a sales section. They just throw everything. That's why we see a lot of sales tags. It does look like these are available everywhere else, as well as the Cherry 13s that just released. This is the rest of the Jordans, y'all. I don't know which one they are. And they got these girly. Yeah, these are like super girly. What the hell? Like pastel? Like super pastel bright colors? Like what the hell? And like all different ones. Who's gonna get that? I don't know. 140. They have a rookie kids right here. You guys need kid shoes, but I don't have any that small like that. So yeah, we're gonna go check out JD. The little sales section right here. Got some Reeboks. Nothing too crazy. $20 off, $15 off. I guess $45 for the Club C's, or $40 off for these, I guess. Well, they got a bigger reduced section right here. But do they have anything super fire though? 1906s in all black. They got the Huarache trainers. We've seen those on sale. Like, I don't know, JD prices have kind of been whatever. Oh, this is the first place we've seen this one on sale. These mids. Nobody else had those on sale. We've seen these lower. I think they're 80 at Chic. But yeah, that is the first time we've seen those on sale right there. Everything else kind of okay, but nothing crazy. Oh, some Cliftons for $125. Check out Bulldog Liquidators. They've been getting a lot of these. If y'all watch all of my videos, I've been there and I've showed you guys what type of stuff they got there. Follow their Instagram too. But yeah, nothing too crazy. Like 100 for these. These are grade school. This is a women's. Is that a men's? I don't know. Man, they got stuff. Oh wait, grade school right here is not bad. Grade school right here. This is a 6Y, so $75 for Jordan 1 Low OGs Chicago colorway. That's not bad at all. That's not bad. $50 off or $45 off. And even on the walls, they have sales tags, but nothing too crazy. Just kind of walk by them. Got Vans. Got some Nike Dunks and stuff like that right there. Jordan releases. It's all stuff that we've seen. We can look at some of the Clifton 10s right here. Pretty solid prices, $30 off. These are the Bondis right here. Is this the older Bondi? No, it's $175. Yeah, the retail was $175 down to $140, so not bad. The cushioning is updated for the Bondis. think, as well as the Cliftons. So supposedly a lot more comfy than the prior versions. We got the Mafate Speed 2s. I don't really know much about those. As I mentioned earlier, they're releasing a ton of Vomeros. Vomero Pluses, that's a good thing for us because not all of them are going to get sold. Eventually they'll go on sale. We have seen small sales on these, but yeah, eventually they'll get cheaper and cheaper. Or you can grab them 1080s as well as the Fresh Foam Moors if you don't mind New Balance. That's kind of what I've been doing. Damn, I feel so stupid for not going to the clearance store this weekend. God dang it, didn't have time. Dang it. I'll show you guys why afterwards, actually. I just realized I didn't even show you guys what I'm wearing. PSG 6s. Grabbed these at the clearance store for like crazy cheap. I think it's like $100. Still really good condition. Got them quite a few years ago. I put in gas yesterday. Look at this. Look at this. Put in gas yesterday morning and I reset my trip odometer. Is that what it is? Yeah, I reset that yesterday. Drove 350 miles yesterday and today. Yesterday, drove my kid everywhere, dude. Drove all around LA County, including Palmdale, Pasadena, Sylmar, Torrance, Lakewood. And then today I went to 3 different stores. That's why. I've been driving my kid everywhere. That's why I haven't had time to make videos. My bad, guys. Well, drinking probably hasn't had time. But yeah. It's been tough.